Alright, so welcome to Macau, and I'm with Quentin right here. So he's right here, he's getting some shots up. Alright. And what we're going to be doing is going down this alley, but we're starting down this kind of cool little spot. And not too far away is some ships, and there's some shipyards right here. First there's a library, but we're going to be heading down right there. Perfect.
We're gonna explore.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Kind of coming back to this, at least I do. It's just like, you know, every alleyway and every street is different.
Yeah.
So it's like every time you turn down a new street, there's potentially something, you know, like you said, a whole new world, you know?
Yeah, and actually, I just wanted, because actually usually on the channel, I usually go street by street.
Yeah.
And I filmed this street a few times. It's like, this is called the Mouth of the Dragon.
Yeah.
Beco de Dragão. And then
Okay.
it's just like, it's a simple street.
Yeah.
I don't know how it would be for photography, but just the name alone is so cool.
All right, let's walk up and take a look, man.
Yeah. So this one is, there's the sign right there. Jason, if you want to catch that real quick. Yeah, and actually this spot is like in the evening, you know, those colors come out different.
Oh, like that.
Like those mixed like kind of pink and like later kind of rather. I think actually it comes out too when you look at it later when you.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, it's kind of a simple look, but there's like little details. Like there's a little dragon right
Oh,
here,
wow.
and it's called Mouth of the Dragon Street. So it's like,
Interesting.
yeah, it's just like. I saw some a couple of Chinese guys that have a channel as well, and then they filmed in the street, and it was kind of interesting watching another person
Oh, I
do the same
bet.
kind of stuff like that.
This is really interesting. Can you imagine living in here? This is really cool, man.
Like that was
Really
part of your place.
Yeah,
right?
I know. It's just so different from what we're used to back home, you know? Oh, look at this door, man.
Oh, wow.
Is that a door? That is a door, isn't it? Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, actually, the most amazing thing actually is that you can kind of go in any direction. Like I was in my mind, I was not thinking of the street. I was thinking of all the different directions. But now that we're on it, I think this might take us out to other places.
Cool. Oh, wow, this is a great shot.
Oh, that kid just came out of it too. That was kind of cool.
That would have been great.
Another chance.
Yeah.
That's gonna be good on video. Great on video.
Yeah, got some good shots, actually. Look at that. That's a good one.
You couldn't plan that for a movie set that would be hard to reproduce that.
Oh, right? Perfect timing. Look at that. A lot of stuff to edit.
That is pretty cool.
That's gonna be some good. That's gonna be a good shot, I think. I like that one.
That's gonna be amazing.
That's gonna be good. Oh wow! Look at this.
Now, I think this could be private property, so.
Yeah, private
I think this is
property.
just the entrance into a building. Yeah.
Yeah, building.
Yeah, this is only one way to find out.
Oh wow! Look at this.
Oh, I think this actually comes out to Camoish. That's a park right on the other side. Oh man. I don't really want to do it, but that could actually go up to the street right there, but I don't know.
Oh, this?
Yeah, probably not.
I feel too lazy to walk up there. To be honest with you.
Yeah, I think it's a little
I'm
bit.
just, you know, I'll be honest with you. Like after COVID, man, I get tired easier.
Yeah.
Even you know 3 weeks afterwards, like it's not to where like I have to sit down or anything, but like small things I'll be like, why do I feel so out of breath? You know?
Yeah.
It's just ridiculous. Like I'm still not 100%. I don't think. You know.
Well, I heard there were some statistics about the lung capacity being decreased like by 70% or something like that.
Does it? Well,
I think there's like long COVID where it could be permanent, and there's also like a temporary one too.
Oh, I hope I don't have long COVID.
Yeah, actually, I think, I don't know if I was telling you before, but 3 years ago when the COVID first hit, I came out of Macau and I left, and I think I got COVID. I was traveling, and I'm pretty sure that I had it because I was coughing up all this phlegm. But also, since that time, my lung capacity feels a lot less.
Yeah.
So I have like a lot of the things that make me feel like I probably have it.
I bet you did. Wow, look at this. This is really interesting. You know, there's just like, there's so many different things that are interesting. Like, you know, you get like a plant growth in a weird place, or an interesting looking plant out of nowhere, just like that right there or something, you know. Like,
Yeah.
like I constantly see like small, minute details. I'm like, oh, that might be an interesting photo. You know?
Yeah.
But I'm always thinking in the mind of film. Like, everything I see is like a frame of film almost.
Yeah. About this area is there's like a lot more older people, and they're really photogenic, like the older generation.
Oh, they're massively beautiful to photograph, aren't
Yeah.
they? They're just
Yeah, and we're kind of on the backside of Kamoish. Yeah. But the backside of Kamoish, we're kind of on the backside, and a lot of them come down from there. So this generation seems, this area kind of has that. It's funny they got glass on the top of that building.
yeah, but I can put a sky on that. That'd be fine with the sky, yeah. Then I can highlight each individual shard of glass and color it.
That would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey, is that a tattoo place?
I don't know. It is, yeah, Together Tattoo Studio. I don't know if she's like.
I'll take a photo.
Gonna have to start a YouTube channel, Jason.
No.
You should.
Yeah,
You should start one. It's fun, right?
Yeah.
Gotta come out and maybe
Yeah.
such. Actually, this right here is a pretty cool space right here too. Actually, this is a good photogenic spot.
Yeah.
Actually, maybe this is a good spot. So basically, we're just gonna kind of meander. We're just gonna check out all these different alleys, and we got a lot of different stuff, including that spot. Looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool right there. Actually, got tons of cool stuff around here.
Yeah, there's a lot of great stuff. I'd like to, may have to put on my editing of the movie on hold tonight, man. I may have some photos I want to edit tonight more.
It's gonna take a while to go through everything.
Yeah, it always does, man. It's a lot of this.
Yeah, actually, so I was gonna originally bring you guys to this spot, anyways. So there's we're gonna go down in a second, but there's a temple right here.
Yeah?
So we're gonna go up to that temple, but I
Cool.
want to go down these alleys real quick.
Cool.
And I was gonna show you this one spot that's like amazing. Then we'll come back again.
Sounds good. Yeah, I love these. I love the cow, man. And you know the thing is sometimes like I get lazy and I'm like, you know, I don't get out enough, you know, and then I get out and I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, when you get out, it's good.
Oh yeah. But yeah, I get lost into my whole type of thing though, like we were talking about earlier, you know.
Yeah, and actually this side is beautiful. Yeah, and actually there's like, even this little spot, you know, you got that, and then right there there's another little temple business right over there. See this one, Jason? And you got this one right here too, right? That's pretty cool. And then I'm just gonna point out that one too. I always like that space, this little blue right in here.
Now,
And I kind of got this little favorite corner that I really like a lot. And we'll come back around here in a circle. I just want to show this one spot. It's like such a beautiful little spot. But there's like a little corner here. It's this yellow building right here. But when you're at this spot right here, it's like really kind of an amazing little area. Yeah, and actually like this little space right here. Like this little space right here, you got like the yellow, green, like this kind of pastel, but you got like business right there too.
yeah, that's great.
And then people are always coming out of that alley too, so that they like make a good part of the scene as well. Actually, it's really, I'll just kind of point out that too on the camera, that there's a little rooftop up there too. It's like so amazing if you had that rooftop right there. You can just kind of like right at this spot. It's like a nice, nice feeling to it. Show the camera on this one real quick, Jason.
Yeah.
You got it on camera? And then take a look at this. So now come over this way.
Yeah.
And then take a look. And you can see it's the same. Because I was over here and I filmed just a couple days ago.
Okay.
So we just move the camera like that. So this is actually in the evening and then that's in the daytime. So pretty cool, eh? So I had the shot a couple days ago. I was over in this area. And you can see it right there. You want to put that in the camera?
Yeah. Cool. Nice. That's a good shot, man. Yeah.
Oh, the bike is still there. That bike is in the exact same spot.
It is, isn't it?
Oh, the tires are flat.
Oh.
Right. So I think what I would do is we'll just end this spot, and then we'll just hang around in for a little bit and look at all them. So this is kind of soaking up the alleys a little bit, and with Quentin, I'm going to have his all of his social media too, so you can see his photography. And later we're going to go up to a temple, so watch some other videos as well. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.